Hey guys, do you want to know how to turn this into this? Stay tuned for the video.
Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking.
Hi there, so this is the box that I made. As it stands now, it's almost done. It's about 90% done. All it needs is a back cover and it's about ready to be deployed. Let me show you the insides of it and how it's connected. Okay, so this is the internal setup. We have a barrel jack which takes 12 volts, and from there it goes to a 5 volt converter, and then it goes to the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi also has a USB to network adapter hooked up into it. That's so you can hook up access point so that you have a stronger Wi-Fi antenna. Also the flash drive, which contains the operating system. We also have a relay here. I'm only using one of the relays. There's two in there, but I'm only using one of the relays. I have 3 Molex connectors to hook up different other components inside the box. This is the inside of that box. This is a 12 volts DC adapter, which powers the whole thing. We have an exhaust fan here and a few vent holes on the side. The white box right here, this is a controller for the RGB LED strips. We have a G-wire Molex. This is to power the green and red LEDs in the front. We have 2-wire Molex, which is from the coil of the coin acceptor. And we have a 3-wire Molex that's coming off the back of the coin acceptor. Okay, so I'm going to hook it back up and put the main board back inside the box. Wire Molex, last 3-wire Molex going into the coin acceptor, and we're done. Should be back in. I'm securing it with just one screw. Alright, that should hold. So it in its present state, at the time of this video, the box is fully operational and working. I only need to put a few more things in the box itself, like a back cover. I also have to do a stability test, and also I need to do some software tweaks and configuration. And by the way, I already bought the license for the software that's running on the box. So I guess it's time for a little demonstration. I'm gonna show you how to connect to the box. Okay, so JC piso Wi-Fi, that's the box right there. Okay, here. Okay, so it's okay. I don't have any credits, so I'm gonna tap on the insert coin, and that light should change into, on the box should change to green. Okay, now it's green. Now it's waiting for me to drop a coin. Okay. One more. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so now I'm online. Let's see here. Go to YouTube. So there you go. That's shows the box is working and it's almost ready to go. Okay, so that's my version on how to build a piso Wi-Fi vending machine. So now that the box is built, people might be wondering, so how much money can you make off of the box? Well, I heard people are making around 5,000 to 8,000 pesos, Philippine pesos a month, which translates to about around $100 to $150 a month, which is not that much really, but in the Philippines that's already a significant amount. So that's just one box. Say for example, if you multiply that by 10 times, if you have 10 boxes, you could potentially make 10 times more. So instead of making $100 a month, you could make $1,000 a month, or $1,500 a month. Or in a year's time, you could make around 12 grand to 18 grand. It's not too bad if you think about it like that. For me, it's it's a worthwhile project, and I enjoyed making it, and I'm excited to deploy it and start making money off of it. This is the end of the video. This is part 2 on how to build a piso Wi-Fi vending machine. If you missed part 1, I'll put a link on the video and in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please write it down on the comment section. If you found the video informative, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and there will be more videos to come. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking.